We're making this leather laptop sleeve for 15 and 16-inch laptops. And this video includes pattern in the description. I will walk you through all of the steps now. These are all of the pattern pieces and they fit into a 90 centimeters to 60 centimeters rectangle perfectly. Your leather may not have the perfect width or length, so adjust accordingly. I start this video with all of the pattern pieces already cut and punched. The stitching holes are designed for 5mm punch, which means 1mm punch head and 4mm gap in between. I will start with sewing and show the sewing order. This is the gusset one. Now I need the back piece, the biggest one, and I will start building the gusset on top of it. And it will end right in the middle, and the gusset 2 will connect to the other end. I will not be showing how to saddle stitch, and if you need help with that, I think there are great videos on YouTube. Probably better than what I could show at the moment. This is how it looks after we stitch the gusset to the back. And about this little tab, there's nothing like this in the pattern you're gonna get, because this was the trial experimentation stuff and it didn't work, so I excluded it from the pattern. Gusset 1 and 2 intersects right in the middle, only from one stitching hole. And that's it. Now onto the front panels. Now I'm gonna mark the notches on my leather as shown in the pattern, because we are gonna use them when we are aligning the front panel 1 and front panel 2 and also the front strap together. Use a leather pen or any erasable pen. Using a little needle to keep the alignment in place when I'm sewing. Here I finished sewing the top edge and also the entire bag is finished at this point. This is why I said it's really straightforward. There's only one sewing on the back loop, and then there's another sewing on the front. Here I'm pounding the edges because this helps saddle the stitches and also break in the gusset leather. At this point it's actually ready to use, but I decided to edge finish because the edges are really thick like a wallet, so I decided to edge finish with an edge burnish. Next I will do that burnish, but if you have a trusted edge paint, I think this project would look so nice with edge paint too. Next I'm cutting out the excess on the edges to prepare the surface for edge burnish. I want to share a tip about edge burnishing. I put the burnish like this and then use my hands to first get it everywhere, and then I use a cotton cloth to burnish, actually not the usual burnishing tools. This really helps so much with the friction and heat creation, which is how leather burnish creams work. They get soaked in your leather, and then with heat that's created from friction, they interact with the leather. Now this fits my 15-inch laptop perfectly, and it could also fit a 15.6-inch or 16-inch laptops. And the front slip pocket fits an A4 size papers. And that's it. If you have come so far, I hope you enjoyed making this or even just watching this. Thank you.